Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page for another Thursday story time and activity. So I've decided to have the setting be my own backyard, and that's because we are going to be talking about all the cool animals that can be found in our own backyards today. So we are going to start with story time like normal, but we do have a small craft right after, followed by backyard bingo, which is definitely something you guys can do at home. So that link will be attached to this post if you guys are interested in doing that. But like I mentioned, today's theme is what is found in your backyard. So our story today is titled In My Backyard. It's written by Valarie Giogas and illustrated by Katherine Zecca. So we'll go ahead and get started. In my backyard, I can see groups of baby animals all around me. They creep, they crawl, they run and hide. They munch, they crunch, they sleep outside. In my backyard, I can see one doe's fawn peeking at me. He sees me through the leaves and brush, then runs to mama in a rush. In my backyard, I can see a prickle of two pups grunting at me. They gnaw on rusty hoes and rakes, then chew on twigs and tree bark flakes. In my backyard, I can see a scurry of three pups gazing at me. It's very crowded in their nest, which makes it really hard to rest. In my backyard, I can see a nursery of four cubs spying on me. At night they search inside our trash. I always hear the barrels crash. In my backyard, I can see a nest of 5 bunnies twitching at me. They've gotten through the garden gate. Just look at all the plants they ate. In my backyard, I can see a labor of 6 pups running from me. They cannot see their lunch of worms, but they can hear them as they squirm. In my backyard, I can see a surfeit of 7 kits squinting at me. They hunt for grubs and ants and snails, and sometimes eat the eggs of quails. In my backyard, I can see a pit of 8 hatchlings slithering near me. They twist among the leaves and vines and blend into a swirled design. In my backyard, I can see a skulk of 9 pups sleeping near me. They cuddle in their den all day, then late at night they look for prey. In my backyard, I can see a swarm of 10 nymphs chirping at me. They listen to their mother's sound and munch on leaves that they have found. So, In My Backyard does a great job of highlighting just 10 animals that can be found in your backyard. Of course, you might not be able to find all of these animals, but there are still plenty of floral and fauna out there for you guys to look for today. So to start our activity, we have a small craft of building your own binoculars. You only need a few items that you guys can definitely find in your home. So you need 2 paper towel or toilet paper rolls or 1 paper towel roll, and you just cut it in half like I did. And what you'll do is with some tape, just go ahead and tape right in the middle on both sides there so they stay nice and tight together. And then you guys can use a hole punch. If you have an adult nearby, use some scissors and you can cut a small little hole on the side of your rolls here. And then with some string, you just want to make sure it's attached nice and tight. And voila, you have your own homemade binoculars. Now, if you guys have your own binoculars at home, feel free to use those. That is great. And using your binoculars, we are going to play backyard bingo today. So again, this is going to be attached to this post, so it's downloadable for you guys to print right at home. And just like bingo, if you guys want to try and find 5 vertically, horizontally, or even diagonally, or if you guys just want to try and find all of these in your own backyard, that's great too. So I hope you guys really enjoy this activity. Feel free to use those handmade binoculars to search for some of these animals and plants. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week and have a great time. Bye guys.